I'm not talking to you guys. You will recall that severally we have had cause to meet, and I've told you on each occasion we met that we always reach out to the public through the media. We reach out to members of the public for them to know what we are actually doing with cases reported to us. You will all recall that on the 27th of May this year, one Uwaila Omozua Vera, female, 100-level student of the University of Benin, who resided until her death at number 3 Michael Avenue behind Benin Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation Depot. She was raped and gruesomely murdered while she went into Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, located at Amadason Street, Benin City. They said Omozua had left her home to read her books in a serene environment in the church building. And these criminals went into the church building to wreak havoc, where she was raped because the postmortem examination result had actually confirmed that, where she was raped and gruesomely murdered. I assured the good people of Edo State that we will leave no stone unturned to unravel the mystery behind this. The matter was of great concern to the Inspector General of Police, IGP Muhammad Abubakar Adamu MNI, who sent to us here in Benin homicide experts to work with our policemen at the State CID here. What we are seeing today is a result of unrelenting effort of the police to get at the roots of the crime. And today, I announce to you, I'm making it public through this medium, that the perpetrators have been arrested. The investigation has been painstaking. We have with us a total of 6 suspects, starting with earlier arrested in connection with the offense, who had initially denied his involvement. Painstaking investigations led to the arrest of Nosa. Nosa was found in possession of the phone of the deceased. And Nosa came up with an explanation that he bought the phone from Collins. Further investigation led to the arrest of other suspects you are seeing here. We also have among the suspects Mary Ade. Mary Ade led to the arrest of Mary Ade. She equally played her part in the dastardly act. She had hired some of these guys for a sum, and she had actually paid them for the assignment, for the gruesome murder. We also have with us Tina Samuel. Tina Samuel is the mother to Lucky Boro, who is currently on the run. It may surprise you why, of course, we have not arrested the mother, we have not arrested by proxy. No. She had played the role of an accessory after the fact. That is, shielding the son who took active part in the dastardly act, shielding the son from the arms of the law, which is equally criminal. So that is why she's being held. She's being held for being an accessory after the fact, because she's the mother to Lucky Boro, who took active part. And she had done all within her capacity to protect, to receive the child, to protect that son, shield that son from being arrested. So you are at liberty to talk to some of these criminal elements. I also thank the National Association of Nigerian Students, the University of Benin chapter for their patience. In some instances, in some quarters, people were expecting that they were going to exhibit youthful exuberance, taking to the streets and taking laws into their hands. But I must acknowledge the fact that they cooperated maximally in the course of the investigation. They are quite patient with us, and their perseverance has equally assisted us tremendously in unraveling the mystery behind this dastardly act. Outside this, we have succeeded in mopping up sizable number of firearms from thugs, from political thugs that could be used to disturb before the election, during the election, and possibly after the elections. The arms and ammunition are there, and the suspects from whom we recovered these are equally available for you to talk to.
So my name is Collis Ijegulem. I'm from Delta State, Agbo. So on 27th of May, I do opposite my house. So we dey play Lido, me and people the way the name work. So this my friend wey they call Valentine Akato. He come. As he come shake me. As he shake me, that come after we don't good finish. Because say more waka reach where for the work. I can say okay. And that time work no day. You know they follow me, they work. Me na big player, carpenter. I be work like be. So as we reach there, you can go, we can see 3 boys. Me, I don't know them before. I don't know their name. I can see 3 boys. So that 3 boys now, as I see them, Nancy, Azubike, and Lucky. So they come shake. Where you don't shake them finish, me can't stand. I'm not even near them. After we stand finish, they come tell us more waka go Okopito bidding. As we reach that Okopito bidding finish, so they come say one smoke. After we don't smoke finish, they come bring Chelsea and razor. They come say want do business. I can't tell Valentine which type of business we go do. Cause say man no worry. And me, my girl with me Tanderas, he carry my thing, come out. I don't get anything. So I can't tell which type of business. Cause say man no worry. Say the business, say we go do the business, say money day. They can't show me money almost 1 million. Now 1 million day. So they can't carry the razor, they can't mark me, mark all of us. They come inside the Chelsea, all of us come talk, say we go talk, we go talk. Say this one go happen to the person. So after we don't do the thing finish now, we come waka, they come tell me say more waka come out. As we reach for the church, the customer stand for road, for that people for the play ball. As we reach there, so we, 3 of Nancy, Valentine, Azubike, and Lucky, they come waka enter for the church side. After they don't waka around, they don't monitor whether person is inside the church. Midday road, they carry 2x4. So me, they come say, man, come. I come follow all of us enter church the same time. As we enter church the same time, so the girl they read book, he face the other door. Me come go meet the girl. So by the time now come go away altar day, it come be like say he dey pray. And they be like say they pray. All these people, Lucky, Ness and Azubike, they come sit down for chair. And they sit down for chair. So as me and the girl they talk, wait till he again, they come knock the girl. So they come knock the girl stick. So as they knock the girl stick, me come shock. I say, I waited the rapport. So this guy, now this kind of thing Valentine, now this kind of thing I can say more can do for you. Me, I know they do this kind of thing. But don't tell me, man, no follow now. You understand? So we can't be like say we can't they do wahala. Four of them one face only me. I can't keep quiet. Me, I can't invest to God and mine. I not go lie. They no rape the girl. We no rape the girl. You understand? Me can't carry that fire, especially. I can't use and stone the girl. So we can't come out. Me, they can see they do wahala. As we they do wahala, we can't go back to that uncompleted BD. As we reach uncompleted BD, so I can say more share the money and everybody waka come up for you. They come bring 300. I say me and Valentine go share that 150. I say 150. But after I don't do fish now 200, the money supposed to be. So what can they do wahala? They do wahala. This Mary, that is my landlady. I can't see him. As I say so, I can't show. Me, I not can't talk anything. I can't keep quiet. So next thing now, got the bag. I carry the bag with the money. He can't carry the bag. The hanky give this woman. As I carry give this woman the bag, the hanky. So me can't keep quiet. The woman can't tell me. Valentine hanky where they screen the blood for the girl mouth. He can't carry give the Mary. So after I don't give the Mary, he don't give Mary the hanky. So Mary come call. Mary come say man not talk. We say if we reach us, we go talk. As we go talk, as okay, no problem. More share money now. They come say we go give us 150. Me that come they do wahala. I come say corporate. So they come say me and this guy we go buy Igbo. Before I come out now, this boy, this one, they Lucky, Nancy, and Azubike, they don't raw come out. We not see the money. So me and Valentine come they do wahala. Cause which kind of be this one I can't follow me do. So me know they do this kind of thing. Wait if I just tell me. So after I don't do, come down. As we come down, I can go meet this woman, Mary. As we reach where Mary, they will come share the girl phone. He can say we go sell the phone. So as we go now, we reach. He come bloom. He come out the bloom. May the second come throw away. So I can't tell more waka reach where for the sell phone. So he can say people now for that say officer. So he can sit down one place they wait me. So I come meet with this guy where they call Musa. As I sound so me can tell and say I come phone where I go sell. Say not my phone but now my friend get the phone. He can tell me some I can't tell and say now 30,000. So I can't tell and say now 30,000. Say Nairobi. So he can't tell me say no, say now 10,000 naira. I can't tell and say no. So he can't tell me say now 17,000 go buy the phone. After I can't go meet Valentine. Say now 17,000 they won't buy the phone. Yes, now he buy phone. He no do anything at all. Now phone he buy. So after they don't sell, after they don't buy the phone finish, me I come go share the money. So we share the money, we can go back to house. So they can't carry us go back to we can't reach. He can't reach the time with the girl come. After the girl come die finish. After the girl come die, this guy come. I can't say Valentine. The girl don't die you. As he tell me say the girl don't die, I tell him say the girl don't die. He can't tell me say hey, he already hear the matter. I can't tell him say nah, where the girl want. I say me want travel go my village. Because no, man never travel. I can't say okay. So me that come day. So policeman come drive come. As policeman drive come, I can't say Valentine, police people don't come. We see him. He can't tell me say man not tell police people anything. Say if I won't go tell police, say now 2 of us will go tell police. I can't say no problem. So while that man come in, I can't say okay. He can't say man tell them truth. I can't say okay. I no go feel like you. Truth I go tell you say me. See people will see, but I don't know the name. Now my friend where they call Valentine, why I know. Now I know the name. He say that they opposite the house. So where you come to fish, I know no me that come out. So they come go arrest them. As they arrest them now on Sunday, on Monday, that is on first. Me and my landlady dot son waka we have to go work. So as they come back, the police will come carry me. As they go down, I not come talk anything. I not tell them talk, but I already know say na the matter. So me come did there. As I did there now, they come carry go Eregbeni station. Go reach Eregbeni station. So they can't tell us who be Valentine, a comma, who be Collins, I comma. They can't say more talk, wait till we see. Because I can't see that 3 people me see. He come mention these 3 boys, but me never now that day be first day I know them. So they come ask what be their name. He come mention Lucky Azubike and Lucky Azubike and Nancy. That is this one. So he come mention the 3 of them. After I don't mention 3 of them, let finish. The cause will be Curtis. I call them not be Curtis. Say where they answer. So the cause may they carry us come on. They can't transfer us come here that day. And they transfer us come here that day. Though, if I want talk, this guy tell me say man not talk. If I want to talk, customer not to me, Valentine and security, the first guy with the work. So they can't hold him. If the guy called they beg me, man not tell police wetin happen. So Oyibo go see be my weakness. He called they monitor 2 of us character. So before you know, they can't transfer us go Abuja. And they transfer us go Abuja. If we still reach Abuja, he go turn the third. So him now, this always the woman cut us say, I now pastor gave me the. Now Mary, that is that woman. So yes, now Mary, yes, that is my landlady. So as we reach Abuja now, the first day will be 5. Now 3. Valentine and Nancy and me. So the 2 boys, they never see the 2 boys. So we will reach Abuja, so they see they monitor us. And they monitor us. So this guy now, President we did there, we be like the overall. Because they already here waiting happen. Say they already say now pastor and with a wife, 9 person. 9 person, some of 1.5, say you want travel, the person go pray. Me can't shake head. No, God that my body get spirit. If you come, pastor, no, I don't even know pastor them. Now Mary, now BDD. So after everything now, so when the time come here, say they call pastor. He won't begin to placate people who don't know anything. But get one old man for Kineza, where they do moto. One guy where they call Tio. Many people where they are. Many people. Me, Amadasu, for the street, for the church street. Yes, now I did. No, I'm from Delta State. I'm 24 years. Yes. So they can't arrest innocent people. And they arrest innocent people. So I can't say, all this one now, this what they don't happen. They carry people who don't know anything. It's better we go talk through. Make these people go. So I can't tell them say now we do the thing. So I can't tell say I want to see my IPO. So but me they not let this guy say me want to see our IPO. So they cause okay. So this guy and that Baba will they do Falknizer and Tio and security, that is Oyibo. They can't say okay man, not worry. They can't carry me go way past the day. So but I not tell anybody what did they happen. As I read then I can't go the pastor play, can't go Oyibo, that is the security, and Tio, they can't go call our IPO, that is Larry. As Larry come, he come tell me say yes. I can't tell yes I want at the parent. Say me, I want say and say pray. Say get everything I want tell him. So as we read then, as we read then as the woman, the man come tell me say waiting. I can't tell after I don't tell and see waiting happen. So as we use do the thing. See person will send us. So he come tell me say man no worry whether I go fit talk. Better I can say yes anyway they will say both cause I go fit talk am. So he come tell me say man no we can carry me go up. He can't go meet me for carry me go meet your Oga. So as we reach Oga there, Oga come tell me after Oga come tell me. Oga come say whether I say yes. Okay, because man no worry. The Oga come say carry me go the overall Oga. I can't see talk. So I can't tell them they carry for me they see recorder. So if I had anything join them, me they for nowhere for the line. They call the recorder. Both plasma they call Vidoram. The other lot of video they can't do fingerprint. And they do fingerprint. The thing show for our hand. So the cloth now they say the cloth where this guy wear that day, the guy blood they inside. But the guy they not greet us say they did. Me call they tell they say now we do them. So if you God wants to fight for me, may see fight for me. If you God say answer hold let's see
Sir.
My name is Akato Valentine. I have no involvement in this issue. What this boy is saying is, I heard everything he's saying. Everything he's saying is completely lie. I have no involvement in it at all. I'm so surprised. I only know him in the area because he stayed in the street before my street. My street stayed before his street. I have nothing to do with everything that he's saying. I, on that 27th morning, I was passing his street when I saw him outside, when he greeted me. And he asked me if I had 100 naira. That was when he followed me. I said I was not having change, that he should follow me out. Then that was when I saw these boys. I know him. Sir? Yes, I ain't coming that day. Okay. Yes, so I'm not denying everything. If I was the one that called him, how come is his landlady that brought the deal, the so-called deal? Yes, I have nothing to do with it. Maybe he's only trying to drag innocent persons to cover up for what he has done. I don't have any problem with him. Why do you think he will be dragging you into it if you are innocent? Sir, I don't know why he's doing all these things he's doing. I heard him clearly, and I'm glad that whatever he did was inside the church. Which one? I know him. I know her as his landlady.
My dear sister, God is my witness. I am a widow. 6 years ago, my husband died. So my brother, when he get the house, he comes to me and they take care of the house, which means I'm a caretaker. So I they take care of the house. Then this boy now, his brother and I did my house before, not be this boy. When that boy don't make money, he can't go abroad. As he go abroad now, so he can't, his mama can't bring this boy, can't say, may stay the room. When I look at my sister, I can say, hey, now I tell you, mama, say, I cannot take this boy because my spirit not carry the way when he be for her. This boy, I'm not happy. You can't tell me, say, no, now better boy, make me look. My dear sister, within a month, now something else. This boy will carry ladder. I know say now up I did 10 rooms for that. He will carry ladder put for war. In the night he will come out. When I go come, I go say like, who put this ladder there? So when I don't observe, I can say, now say carry this ladder, go where you carry and come from. He can't return. Tifo, now so police they arrest her all the time. Now I come tell mama say, I beg you can't carry this boy. Me don't fair tell you. Now the mama come they beg me say they do a mogo. If he do a mogo finish, he will come carry her. Wait. I can't be like say the woman self is tired of her. I can't drop and there. I can't write quick note. I say make come out. Now criminal be. He not agree come out. So now me can't call him mama. Now mama can't tell me say I beg. I feel do a mogo finish. You can't carry her. Before I do a mogo finish, now my sister now this thing happen. If they do different havoc, police they arrest her. Criminal. Not be that day now when the girl die, they can't arrest her. Everybody come they shout for my house. Say criminal. Police now you do this thing. Now they say lie. Now say police now you do this thing. You will go, you will not come back again because you disgraced me. I be member of a Redeemed Christian Church. Your mama say even the girl, we are all friends. Now so we do more. Don't be later now. They can't chain and come from Abuja or state here. Already they don't pack in things. Now they search a room, they chain like this. They say, hey, now you be the caretaker. You can't let police pack my things to go to make me, you don't go in for it. Now say you are mad. Now say you rape person, you kill her. You they talk of property. Not be person born picking when you rape and kill. Why you they talk like that? He say, hey, whether because I mean, and I saw me fed, that's okay. For the rest tenant, he get who they breaking the door, packing things, I pass on your own. So you go do that can't finish. You can't say you want go free. You will never go free. Then they carry come out to go Abuja. Behold, my sister. Before 2 weeks, so this boy say get confession. Confession of waiting. Me just there on Sunday from my house. I just say police don't enter. Waiting happen. He say call. He say me give him 1 million. My sister, I want fete. I say no. If I even fete or shake body, now be say I don't. They say you know she say don't. I don't. Three children now I get my sister. The first one go University of Ekpoma. The other one she Poly. After the death of my husband, no money. People know they talk. They drop out of school. They drop out. When police can't come now, they wait. When police can't investigate, they can't collect my phone. From there now, my sister. Now they can't carry my phone. They can't check my house. Not it. They check my shop. Wait till the shop not even reach 20,000. Even the police when come from Abuja, oh, all of them can't even they write, say, nothing. Now say 1 million. Now say nothing like that. After all set and done, they can't arrest me from here to Abuja. Abuja now they can't investigate. More than 2 months. I stayed Abuja now for 2 months and 3 days. You understand? Because of investigation. When they come and say, where the 1 million, when this woman give you? He say, actually, now Nancy, now he give. That Nancy run with the money. Now police say, I will there here till they see the boy. God so kind. The second, this thing when they go, now they catch Nancy. Nancy now be this one. Then Nancy, huh? Police me? You know, true. God is my witness. I don't know Collins. I don't know Nancy. Nancy don't know me. Nancy, when they cry, then they come carry me, come and say, you see, after all set and done, my sister, now they come ask, I say, nah, they don't do investigation, they don't go my account, they go my children home, everything, and then they come say, okay. So they come tell and say, the IG, the commissioner of police, all of them, they come call her after every investigation. Then they tell and say, come, what do you want to prove? Say, this woman give you 1 million. He said, actually, out of annoyance, he has the police parking property. And me call a criminal, me can't give a quick notice. Say, now that annoyance, since he not see property, he go suffer me for it. That was all my sister. So the investigation since then was going on. At the end of the day, they still say, I be innocent.
They said they gave you handkerchief. Which handkerchief?
Well, me no for her. Now that first of all, he said he give me 1 million. Listen, he give me 1 million. May I take rape the girl? May I kill her? Then they come ask and say, why? He said, because me say the girl. Now everybody just like for the church. They don't like my children. That was number one statement. The second statement now, he say, not be so again. He say, now 1.5 million. Say, may they take do something for her. May they do something for me. May my son come be like supermarket. Jesus. No, police say, you even they listen to yourself. Now you first say 1 million. Later you say 1.5 million for to do sham again. So now police say no wahala. Now they detain us for Abuja since then. Yesterday now we come for Abuja now. So everything don't go. So waiting me they wait for at least matter they go court now. If they go court. So now be the team my sister. Me go give her 1 million, 1.5 million. I know nothing about it, my sister.
Now village I did when they come carry me. As they carry me for village, they say commissioner won't see me. Now I say what will be the problem? They say if I reach office, I go see commissioner. I go ask me something. As I come now they say, madam, where your pikin? Now I don't know where my pikin dey. Now village you now go carry me come my pikin dey Benin. I don't know where my pikin dey. Now they come say, now they say put me for sale. Inukroa village.
When was last time you saw your son?
It don't when I see him. It don't reach about 4 to 5 months when I see my son reach. And they detain me. They can't carry me go Abuja. They carry me go Abuja. They not carry me see Oga till they carry me come Benin again.
This boy Collins, so I never know Collins before. I did Kubai when I yesterday say they rape one girl for inside church Uwala. Na Kubai I did, me and my wife did. I get one picking 2 years. My second picking my one so my woman get belay now 8 months plus. Now the belay day now. So I did Kubai when I yesterday say they rape one girl for church. Even that church, if I never ever walk out of that church, she said to me, if you don't go doing anything like don't preach for legs, if you do enter that church, make them know, make them go do one. I got surprised now. I just did my community. I say they do community matter. I work my lane at DJ, so I did my community. They do community matter. I was surprised for that town hall. And police will arrest me for town hall. So they say one boy. Say now we gotta go kill the girl. Me not know the boy. I go carry me go Abuja. They go carry me go up. They carry us to go up. I don't even know say this boy Collins they are more. Now when we reach up, I was surprised the boy say they give us money. A lady give us money. Now even for Abuja, I for even know this boy. I don't know the boy. Now this case, so now make me know the boy. I don't know the boy for my life. Even this lady, so I don't know the woman for my life. I never see the woman for my life. They say they give us 1.5 million. Later, I say they give us 1 million. I get to one account. I use Access Bank. I use GT Bank. Now I give them the details. Take my account. Go check when they ever pay money reach for this one. Call me. I dey work. My mom dey Jamie. I work and not work. Every month I receive 44,000, 100 euro every month. Yeah, I got surprised. They say we go kill him for go keep person for 1 million. Later they say that 1.5 million. It still surprised me. So they go do. They say so we carry the blade. We say our hand. All of us climb Capital building. Go the lally. We go. We cut our hand. Say we put her for Chelsea. They carry reach Abuja. They do also do steps. Nothing like that. If our people tell us nothing like that too. They rape me, they rape the girl. Recently, they thought they not rape the girl, and they rape the girl because they show us the girl picture. They rape the girl, but they talk and say he not rape the girl, he rape the girl. They show us the girl picture. He raped the girl. We do the thumbprint. They ever draw my spam. Draw this my friend's spam. Go do DNA test. Nothing like that show. Fire extinguisher. Nothing like that show. At least anything, anywhere a crime for happen. For the that you drop, is that something drop or you collect something for that place. So after they don't investigate. Our IPO court tell us now say there are 3 types of evidence. They get me to talk the evidence, natural evidence, circumstantial evidence. Get me to talk. They say the evidence. I say the fire extinguisher, it not show for our hand. The girl body, it not show for our hand. Even the sperm, not show for our hand. It's only with the all lost now. Say the boy confess say you know. The boy never know when every day.
They deny everything. You must go in for it. You must go in.
For Abuja, I talk about.
Yes, for Abuja. Now yesterday they bring us for Abuja.
When I come to you, that you don't go.
You never go. Now make it be the talk like. No worry, man. It go over you. Come for Agbo. You want to Edo State upside down.
Taking these persons out of the street has given us hope again. That police is not just doing their job; they are also the friends of all the citizens. I'm using this medium to appreciate the IGP himself, because he took this matter personal. The commissioner on his own, he has been doing marvelously well. So from the student angle, University of Benin, we have been following, like he just said, and then we will still follow until they have been finally received the punishment they deserve. Yes, from here we are moving to court.